Please note, make sure to use fresh dark roasted coffee beans only. What should be done when the pressure gauge doesn't move while brewing coffee? When you start the unit to brew coffee, the pressure gauge may not move or just move little. Then what should we do to fix this situation? Adjust the fineness of the coffee powder. First, please adjust the coffee ground to a finer level by twisting the bean box to adjust the corresponding scale value to a lower position. Coarser coffee powder may lead to a situation where the pressure value is insufficient. Then grind the coffee beans again. Using the coffee powder to brew coffee, as you can see, the pressure gauge moves to the recommended interval. Use enough coffee powder to brew coffee. Insufficient coffee powder may also cause this problem. The recommended amount of coffee powder for single cup is about 13 grams, and the double is about 19 g. Please choose the right coffee filter and tamp the coffee powder by the tamper, and make sure that the upper edge of the tamper is flushed with the top of the filter. Choose double layer filter. If the above steps cannot help you, you may choose the corresponding double layer filter. There's only one hole on the double layer filters, and it can play a role in increasing pressure. What should be done if there's no coffee flowing down? When you start the unit to brew coffee, you may experience a situation where there is little or no coffee coming out and the pressure level is very high. The followers are the steps to solve this problem. Use coarser coffee powder. 1. Please adjust the bean box to a higher scale position to make the ground coffee powder thinner. 2. Make sure that the upper edge of the tamper is flushed with the top of the filter. Please do not tamp the coffee powder very hard to reach this result, which may be one of the reasons for overpressure, and it may do harm to your funnel holder as well. 3. If this problem still not be solved by processing above steps, your filter may be blocked. There's cleaning tools attached in the water pan. You can use this tool to clean the holes of your filter. After the coffee you've brewed, you may find there's no oils in it. How do we optimize it? Lack of pressure is the main reason for the absence of oils. Choosing double layer filters and adjusting the fineness of coffee powder would help to increase the pressure. Look, the brewed coffee is better than before. Please note, for different coffee beans, the right degree of grinding and pressure is not fixed. You may need to adjust the above operations to find the right mode of operation.